welcome back to our channel NewLook. Your hair is said to be your crowning glory, and it's normal to want to improve your hair, and if it's not to your satisfaction. If you are trying to regrow hair that you have lost or would simply like to improve the hair that you have, try some of the home remedies. These proven benefits can help to stimulate growth and enhance the hair that you have. Now going into the procedure, for this beautiful hair remedy, you require some amount of coconut oil, aloe vera gel and some drops of almond oil. Firstly, take a bowl, pour the required amount of the coconut oil as per your hair and a few drops of almond oil and a spoon of aloe vera gel. Mix these all ingredients. Aloe vera and coconut oil were both powerful hair growth boosters. Aloe vera is made up of nutrients such as amino acids, lipids, sterols, vitamins, etc. It is a booster for the growth of the strong hair. Also, the coconut oil maintains the healthy fatty acids including lauric, myristic, capric acids that deeply penetrate into the hair follicles and nourishes them. It also keeps the scalp moisturized and healthy, which supports the healthy hair growth. See, after mixing up this thoroughly, apply this paste on your entire hair from root to the tip of your hair. And wear a shower cap. After 1 hour, wash with a mild shampoo. This is very effective and very useful for your hair.